Hi, I'm about to fire up my my auxiliary fence for my table saw that I built. I've got 3/4 inch dado set up, and I've come in and I'm going to turn the saw on. You can see that I've raised the dado to cut 3/8 of an inch into the sacrificial fence, and I've measured the distance that the dado sticks out at 5/8 inch. So that's a magic number for making frame ledges for beehive boxes. Cut a rabbet onto this piece of scrap wood that I have here, and for the first time. So let's see how this is going to work. I'm just going to feed it on into here, and it's going to cut out a nice dado. First time ever. Cut a nice dado cut for a frame. The frame will, if this were a hive box, the frame would rest right in here, just like that. Perfect. So I've taken all the guesswork out of making this rabbet cut for a frame box. Using this fence. So that's it. That probably answers a lot of questions, because I've been working on this thing for a while, and it's finally done. Yoo-hoo!